What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is Electric Wednesday, special episode. It's Oktoberfest, and we're doing a special gathering for Oktoberfest at Clinton Hall down in the financial district, and I'm just riding there now. I'm going to take the greenway. It'll be nice and smooth. I'm trying out a new camera setup. As you can see, I have a wrist holster. First time trying this. I've always wanted to try it because I thought it might be more nimble this way, but I don't know, the added weight on my hand, I'm not sure I like it. But I did initially want to get this a long time ago when I was employed as a butcher at my friend's meatpacking company, because I thought it would be cool to show a really interesting, like, hand-eye view of what it's like to cut meat, you know, down the side of the knife, kind of. So maybe I'll try that as well as to see how it translates to vlogging with the e-bike. So we'll see. It's a beautiful day. It's a little bit chilly. It's starting to get a little bit chilly. Mid 70s. But you know, the sun's low in the sky now. Sun sets early. So you know, season's changing. It's like it's instantly fall, you know. It just happened within a week. But I don't mind it. I like it. I get to wear my hoodie. Pretty soon I'll be putting on my full face helmet. A little more safe. And yeah, that's about it. Coming up to the greenway now. A little bit of news. I heard from Zeus about the battery. They're going to try to send someone out to either repair or replace it soon. So I'm excited about that. We'll get the Flex back on the road. And last night, I readjusted my wheels and my brakes, and all seems to be going well with that. It's a lot smoother now. No more crazy sounds, no more crazy rubbing sounds and squeaks. I should probably rebed the brakes a little bit to get some brake pad material back on the rotors, because what I did was first I just loosened and retightened the wheels, you know, down on the axle. That usually solves some of the noise. Just a quick little readjustment, loosen and tighten, retighten it back to where it should be. So that helped a bit. And then I also took some rubbing alcohol on a microfiber cloth and wiped down my brake rotors. And you know, brakes work best when they have brake pad material on the rotor. So what you're doing is taking off that material, which may have like some oils in it or some dirt, and it might be making noises or making a uneven grab or rub. So what I did was I just cleaned them off completely back to spit shine bright silver. And then right now I'm just kind of rebedding them, getting some more material back on the brake pads again. Every once in a while, I'll just do a long squeeze, you know, from a good amount of speed. And that's how you do it. But right now, it's sounding good. Fingers crossed I don't jinx it. Taking the scenic route. I figured this would be better than trying to cross downtown Manhattan during rush hour. There's a little more foot traffic here, but I don't mind it so much. Taking in the day. This beautiful weather. Looking down at his phone. Could have gotten clobbered. Nobody's really looking. Nobody's really looking at the bike lane. High pedestrian area. Gotta keep your eyes on a swivel here. Keep your head on a swivel. Keep your eyes all over the place. So I'm excited for today. I'm a big fan of Oktoberfest. Me and my buddies from high school, junior high, we get together every year and go to one of the city's Oktoberfest, usually the Zumschneider one. They are known for having a really good one every year. Unfortunately, the bar is closed, so now they just do the yearly, they rent out a venue and do a yearly event for Oktoberfest, you know, a few weekends every year, and it's always fun. It's always a good time. Still got to get over to the real deal out in Germany. Definitely on the bucket list for me. Get out to Munich, see those massive tents that hold like, you know, thousands of people. The food, I love the food. The Haxen, the pork shank. It's either fried or roasted. Good stuff. And see now, what's this? What's this about? This is absurd. Police activity. Oh, you know why? I know why. It's like there's stuff going on at the UN, and they use this heliport to fly into dignitaries and like that. So that's definitely why this is a shit show over here. Midtown is a disaster when this happens. It's probably like Secret Service or, you know, official security for some foreign dignitary or Biden or somebody. All right, maybe I'll take the roads home because this turned out to be kind of annoying. Come on. You got the bike lanes closed? Yeah, then someone's going to complain when someone gets clobbered because they can't get on the bike lane.
Something is better than nothing, nigga.
All right, I'm going to get on the road here. Better off with traffic than on these bike paths. at this point. Just rounding back up the lower tip of Manhattan here in the financial district. Always someone doing a U-turn across the double yellow. So I'm going to take a right on Trinity, which turns into Greenwich Street. And then I got to do like a little double backing to get over to Washington Street. Which is where Clinton Hall is located. There's a lot of one-way streets that just go far in the other direction, so that's why I got to do a little roundabout way to get there. So this is actually Greenwich Street, not Trinity. Greenwich turns into Trinity. That's what. So down by the Trade Center. I used to live close by here. If you've watched my riding reviews, you've seen me come over here to eat. Some spots down here. It's a fun part of town. It's cool. It's unique. It's cavernous. The streets are narrow and the buildings are tall. It's very cool. So now it's Trinity. Now we have turned into Trinity. You've seen me do around the hood in 8 minutes. I've done Trinity Church down here. I showed you Hamilton's grave. A lot of cool stuff to see around here. Coming up to the bottom end of the Trade Center too, up ahead. Yeah, let's see here. I gotta go up another street. I think it's Cortland I gotta turn on. Yeah, now we got FIDI traffic. Yeah, maybe you can see it if I turn the angle here over my shoulder. You can see the Trade Center. So I got to sneak my way over to Washington Street. I'm just going to go the wrong way on this street because that's easier. Yep, this is Washington. I got to take a left. And Clinton Hall is going to be up here. I think it's right on the right. Yeah. It's been a while since I've been here. All right. All right, see you on the inside. Tell us how you're doing after that spill.
Hanging in here, brother. You know, feeling good. You know, it feels like the bump in my head opened up some sort of chamber of inspiration.
Yeah. Portal to a new dimension.
Yeah.
So tell me. Someone said you had just gotten a tattoo on your head. Is that true?
Oh, yeah. Check it out.
Is it messed up? Oh yeah, the hair's coming in, so it's tough to see it.
Yeah, it's tough to see.
So I'm going to start this thing on my channel called Feature Fridays, where I feature other people from the community and talk about them, tell them to follow their page and stuff like that. So I'm going to work this into one of those.
All right,
for
cool,
sure.
Man. Thank you, brother.
You got it.
Thank you. Always a pleasure to be able to help you out, Johnny. You know
Absolutely. Zeus Wednesdays. Oh, drained it.
I'm gonna see if I can run.
Answered it in kind. This thing's sick.